Hello, and welcome to Storyboard That. My name is Eric, and today I'm going to show you how to make a setting map worksheet using one of Storyboard That's pre-made templates. So let's get started. So first we're going to pick out a template that we like. Now we have a whole bunch of great options to choose from, but I think I'm going to go with this one with the dogs. Now if you watched any of our other how-to videos, you will probably hear me talk about how much I love dogs, so I'm going to choose this one. So all we do is click the copy template button that's right below. And this will bring us directly into the Storyboard Creator, which will then prompt us to give our template a name. So you can call yours whatever you would like. I'm just going to call mine template 1 and click continue. All right, now it's time for us to customize our template. This is where we get to add any characters, items, update the text, make any changes that we want to. So for my setting map, I'd like to come up with a nice little story. So we have these 3 columns describing where, when, and the mood. So I'm thinking I'd like to have a kid coming home from school and they're excited to see their dog. So we're going to add a character and we're going to have them describe the mood. So let's go up to our characters menu. Let's go into the teens category. Let's find a teen that we like. Now we have all these great options, but I think I'm going to go with this first one. So to add a character, all you have to do is just drag and drop them into your storyboard. And now we get to customize. This is where we get to update facial expressions, poses, change colors, whatever it is that we want to do. Now we have all these great facial expressions here, but if you look down, we have a bunch of preset poses, and you can click any one of these, and you can change your character in one click. So let's go with happy. All right, that's pretty good, but let's even make them more excited. And let's go over here and change some color. Now you can select any one of these pre-selected colors for its specific item, or you can just click the randomize color, and it will randomly select these colors for you. It's really fun to go through and see what they come with. All right, I think I like this one. So we're gonna just click update pose, and there's our character. Now you can move your character anywhere you would like within your storyboard, as well as resize them. So to resize, just drag the corner of your image, and there we go. All right, now we have our character. Now let's go over items, and we can use our item to describe where. So let's go up to our items menu, and we have all these great categories. But if there is a specific item that you would like, you can always search for it in the upper right-hand search menu. So with our kid leaving school, I think I'm going to have them on a school bus. So let's go over to our vehicles category, and let's find a school bus. All right, perfect. Just like our character, drag and drop into your storyboard, and that's pretty good. Now, a side profile view is very iconic for a school bus, but it takes up way too much space for this column. So let's go over to our image options, and we can choose one of these different poses. Right, I think this will work. Just click update image, and let's reposition and resize. All right, I think that looks pretty good. All right, great. Now next is the background. We're going to use the background image to tell the when. So I think maybe we have a scene of a house at sunset. So let's go up to our scenes menu, and let's go to our home outdoor. And we should be able to find a nice front view of a house. So we have all these great options. I think I'm going to grab this nice Art Deco house. I think this is pretty cool. So we just drag and drop, and there's our scene. Now, if we wanted to have the scene fill the entire frame, all we would have to do is go to the right-hand menu, click Stretch to Fill, and we can select any one of these options. So if we were to do non-proportional, it fills the entire frame with the entire image, but it does squish it a little bit for this. But I don't really worry too much about this. This is just to show you how you would go to fill the entire frame. So let's just click OK, and there we go. But I don't want this to stay like this, so we're going to undo it. So to undo something, just go to your right-hand menu again, and just click Undo. All right, now we're going to just resize this manually so we can have it fit within this column. So line it up, and we're going to stretch. All right, and that looks pretty good. Now I'd like this house to be at sunset. So if we go over to our Edit Scene button, we can actually select that option for sunset. All right, I think that looks great. Just click Update Scene, and there we go. Now we have our story pretty well fleshed out, but we don't have a dog. So we can either go up to our characters menu and go into animals and find a dog that we like, or we can grab any one of these pre-existing dogs. So I think I'm going to grab this golden retriever, but I don't want to just remove them from the top. I'm going to make a copy. So with our item selected, just go to your right-hand menu and click Copy. And this will make a duplicate of whatever it is that you're copying. So let's move our dog back down. And this dog's energy is not matching our kid's energy. So let's change that. So with our character selected, just go to our image options and we should have some poses for the dog. All right. This is an excited dog. This is perfect. So update image and there we go. Let's make the dog a little bit bigger too. All right, great. Now, last but not least is text. Now you can edit any of the pre-existing text boxes. Just select one and you can put in your own words. So let's give this a new title. So we're going to call this Coming Home to My Dog. All right, that's pretty good. Now this is a really fun font, but I'd like something that's a little bit easier to read. So to change your font, just highlight what you want to change, go over to your text editor and let's select a new font. All right, I'd like this one. And I'd like to make this a lot bigger so it fills this entire top. So go over here to our text editor. We're at 36 points, so let's go to 60. That should be pretty good. All right, great. Now, when you're all done making the changes to your template, all you have to do is go to the bottom right-hand corner and click the orange Save and Exit button. And that is how you make a setting map using Storyboard That. Thanks for watching and happy storyboarding.